I think the the first thing, I think if you were to ask any advisor how they are currently doing their business and how they should grow their business, the first thing that I would recommend they should be doing is work with only ideal clients. So how do you get them? When you look at your total client database, you have to ask yourself this question: how many of the clients is there in the list who trust you 100%, and whose 100% money you already have? They are your ideal clients. They are clients who love to work with you. They are clients with whom you love to work with them. If you are able to identify those clients and expand that kind of a client base, that will be number one, I think, thing that one should be looking at to build their practice. Second, I think, is how do you have these meaningful conversations? We just went through the call session, and what all of you heard him say essentially is that how do you build up these beautiful conversations with clients rather than trying to give them prescribed solutions? How do you listen to their problem? How do you ensure that you are able to ask meaningful questions and then look at giving a solutions? As I said, you are not in the business of solutions. You are in the business of solution, in the business of solving problems. I think the answers again are roughly the same. The global market has moved from being product-centric to goal planning and to financial planning, and now it is moved to experiential planning. So therefore, I think the single most important thing that I would recommend the financial advisors to learn is how do you build experiences, how do you build this fantastic experience around the clients, right? So are you able to give the kind of an experience that the client really deserves? Because the customers today demand far more. They are used to a far better experience in every other product category that they are getting serviced upon. You take the example of Uber, or you take the example of Airbnb, or you take the example of anything. I mean, an Apple phone. So the product categories, the service categories are delivering fantastic client experiences. So it is time that we also learned how to deliver that kind of a client experiences, right, to grow our business. The single most important reason why I think the MFDs must follow a niche model is, rather than trying to serve hundreds and hundreds of families and not having any wallet share, right? The single most important, easiest way to grow your business is by moving into a niche model where you decide that you would want to only serve those clients whom you can meaningfully serve. So that way you will start getting 100% wallet share rather than having fragmented wallet share. Now let me explain to you why this is very important. This is important because when you are having a client who has not given you 100%, you have competition. You have other distributors, other financial planners, other banks who are also trying to sell products to him. And that's going to put a lot of pressure on you. That's one of the reasons why the distributors today are always under pressure to prove that their product, is better than others. The only way you can move away is meaningfully having a client base who believe you, with whom you can have 100% wallet share, remove competition, and grow your business. Thank you.